Hari Om students, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. How are you students? Hope you all fine and enjoy your holidays. Today we are going to learn The Accidental Tourist, written by Bill Bryson. Before getting into the lesson, let's see something about the writer. Bill Bryson. His real name is William McGurry Bryson. He is born on 8th December 1951. Honorary Officer of the Order of the British Empire on 13th December 2006. Honorary Fellow of the Royal Society in 2013. He is an American-British author who writes books on travel, the English language, science, other non-fiction topics. His most popular books are A Short History of Nearly Everything, A Walk in the Woods, Down Under, At Home, A Short Story of Private Life, The Life and Times of the Thunderbolt Kid, a memoir. Before going to see the lesson, I would like to give a short introduction. The Accidental Tourist is a humorous story. The narrator, Bill Bryson, narrates his experience as an air traveler. He is a man of confusion. There are many things that he could not do properly due to confusion. He often forgets the way to lavatory. Here lavatory means restroom or bathroom. He finds it difficult to remember his hotel room number. He forgets almost everything which is required to carry out his routine activity. The routine things are fixed in difficult and almost impossible. Once he went on a visit to England along with his family for a week on Easter. The narrator was a card holder of the British Airways frequent flyer program. On the airport, he wanted to show the discount card to the authorities, which was in the carry-on bag. He tried to open the bag, but the zip of the bag jammed. So he pulled on it and yanked at it with a jerk. The zip gave away abruptly. The side of the bag flew open and all the things in it were spread all over in the center of the airport. His wife wondered at her husband's absent-mindedness. He had many experiences while traveling by flights. Once on an aeroplane, when he leaned over to tie his shoelace, just at that moment, someone in the seat ahead of him threw his seat back into recline. As a result, he got stuck in kneel-down position. He managed to get himself free by clawing the leg of the man sitting next to him. On another occasion, he knocked soft drinks into the lap of a lady sitting beside him. The worst experience he had was writing some thoughts on a paper. He fell onto conversation with a lady sitting next to him. He did not notice that he had put his pen in mouth. It leaked and his mouth was covered with ink. He did not realize it until he went to the lavatory. Here is one more incident experienced by our writer, Bill Bryson. He could never take benefits from the discount schemes. He lost a golden opportunity to avail himself of a first-class flight to Bali due to his absent-mindedness. But he takes it positively and feels good because he would not have been able to remain without eating on such a long flight. Let's move on to the next part. Glossary. Alley. It means a narrow passageway between or behind buildings. Yanked. It means pulled with a jerk. Consternation. It means worry. Cascade. It means waterfall. Extravagantly. Excessively. Concourse. It means the open central area in a large public building. And family. It means as a family. Disgorging. Discharging. Gashed. It means cut deeply. Hysterics. A fit of uncontrollable laughing or crying. Exasperation. Irritation. Catastrophe. It means a terrible disaster. Suave, polite and sophisticated. Venerable, valued. Now I would like to move on to some foreign words and phrases. You have come across the French phrases like en family and bons mots in the lesson. Like that, let's see some more phrases and their meanings. Viva voce, it means a spoken examination. Sine die, it means without a date being fixed. Resume, a brief summary. Rapport, it means close relationship with good understanding. Bona fide, genuine or real. Now here is the homework for you. Refer to the dictionary and find out the meaning of the following foreign words or phrases and use them in sentences of your own. Number 1. Bon voyage. 2. In toto. 3. Liaison. 4. Ex gratia. 5. En masse. 6. En route. 7. Ad hoc. 8. Faux pas. 9. Par excellence. 10. In camera. Number 11. Status quo. 12. Magnum opus. 13. Papillon. 14. Incognito. 15. Deja vu. 16. A la carte. 17. Via media. 18. Per capita. 19. Tete-a-tete. 20. Carte blanche. That's all about today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.